Hi, welcome to this video today, which is all about learning Forex trading for beginners and finding a complete course that can take you from being a novice, a beginner, to a professional, i.e. someone who can trade on their own consistently for profits. Now, we do actually have a course which is designed to do this. Now, in terms of our course, obviously, we're biased because it's ours. But what I want to do is focus on key points of the best courses. And obviously look at ours, or you can look at others, but they should all have the following in common. So I'm just going to go through some key points in choosing a Forex trading course. I'm just going to look at them on a quick storyboard, and then you can select out the right course for you. All right, let's look at 8 points in terms of finding the best Forex trading course for you. Point number 1, very important. Most Forex educators don't trade. If I was to look online and look at Forex courses, I would say that probably over 90% of people selling a course or strategy don't trade. How do you spot them? Look for them to give their trades entry, stop, and target. That way you will know that they're confident enough to give their specific trades, and you can judge them and see if they make money. Okay, a lot of courses online, what they'll do is they'll say they'll give analysis. Okay, most of it is going backwards. So they say they bought at the low and sold at the high. That's easy. We can all make money in hindsight. Or they say, buy it if it goes up, or sell it if it goes down. Well, they're going to be right. Okay, they just say, oh, we bought it if it went up, and we sold it if it went down. That is not trading. Trading relies on having an entry, a stop, and a target. Okay, so always look for vendors who do that. And in terms of our course, we'd always give each day 14 pairs, and we'll basically give our entry, stop, and target and the logic of the trade, so you can actually follow the trades. Okay, see if we make money with them, and that will give you confidence to use the techniques in your own way as well. Incidentally, we also give trades on our YouTube channel, so we give sample trades, so you can just look at the way we trade. It's very important. You can get rid of 90% of courses straight away by just point number 1. Point number 2, point number 3, avoid any pattern trading and predictive strategies. They're very convincing because you can see patterns going backwards, but they never repeat in the same way going forward. So, popular pattern trading strategy at the moment is Gartley patterns. They don't work. Okay, nothing that tries to predict what is going to happen next is going to work, because Forex markets cannot be predicted. You won't find any pattern trader who gives their trades. If you do, let me know, because I'll be very surprised. Okay, you want a simple strategy that's based upon probabilities and trading the price action right now. And the strategies, for example, we teach are incredibly simple. Example would be breakouts and failed breakouts. It's just timeless strategy in terms of making money. It's based upon probabilities. Okay, avoid high percentage winning strategies. This is when you see a guy or a vendor of a course say they win 90% of their trades or more. A lot of beginners think that's important. It isn't important at all. And it's not true when you see these 90% success rates that you could make money with them. It's probably just it is just marketing anyway. Professional traders focus on how big their winners are in relation to their losers. I would say most professional traders that I know win around 30% of their trades to 60%. Okay, but they're all focused on basically how big the winners are over the losers. I know plenty of traders who win 30% of their trades and make a lot of money. That is what you should be focused on. In terms of ourselves, we probably win about 50% of our trades, but we will make money over the longer term. Avoid any vendor who has discovered a secret or a shortcut to success. There's no secrets in terms of Forex trading. To win at Forex trading, you need a simple strategy, and then you need the discipline to apply it and the right psychology. And all the best courses will cover psychology, okay? In terms of how you trade with discipline. It's what most traders cannot do. Most good courses will basically also focus a lot on money management techniques, having a trading plan and a trading journal. It's not just about the strategy. You've got to apply it. That is the difficult bit. There's plenty of simple strategies that can make money. If you don't have the right psychology, you won't win. So your course should focus on that side as well. You should always check for free education before you buy the course, so you can get a sample of what the course is all about. We like to do sample trades, obviously. We like to provide information on our philosophy of trading, various tips and so forth. And we also focus a lot on learning from the great traders, people like George Soros's, Warren Buffett, Paul Tudor Jones, etc. So you can join our free education mailing list on our site if you wish. Technical or fundamentals, which are the best courses? Now, most courses are based upon technical analysis. There are some good ones that cover the fundamentals as well. There's no best way of trading as such. What we do is we cover both. So you can trade our techniques purely technically, but we like to, in our daily summary, and we do 14 pairs, we'll very often comment on the big fundamentals or the sentiment behind the chart, because that helps you with your technicals as well in terms of projecting a turn in the market, trend change, or maybe how far a trend could run. So we cover both technicals or fundamentals, so you can trade just technically if you wish, just use the fundamentals or combine both. You should always have a risk-free trial. You're paying good money. You want to know that you're going to get what the seller of the course has claimed he's going to give you. Risk-free trials, 2 weeks minimum. Personally, we give a 2-month risk-free trial. If you don't like our course in that period and our techniques and our analysis, we just give you your money back. If there's no free trial, do not buy the course. They're just frightened that you're not going to be quite happy with what they've put inside their course or their member center or whatever. So risk-free trial. Expensive, not necessarily better. A lot of people think that if they pay more money, they're going to get a better strategy. When you consider the best strategies are simple, okay? You don't need to pay more. Go for fair value. I'd say there's plenty of courses in the $200 to $400 range that will give you exactly what you want at a very fair price. And we're in that price range. Actually, we're at the lower end, $200. Now, in terms of renewal fees or one-time access, you can take this into account as well. How long is the course? How long do you get access to the member center, and how much are you paying? A lot of courses have renewal fees every month, every 6 months or whatever. You need to keep that in mind. In our case, we just give one-time access. You buy a course, you get our analysis for as long as you wish. How long has the course been online? Beware of courses that just suddenly emerge and they say that they've been trading for years, so they've been online for a few months. You get a lot of courses that just come online, take as much money as possible, and then disappear. So I'd look for someone who's been online 3 to 5 years plus. We've been online since 2004. Now, in terms of those 8 points, if you keep them in mind, and when you're looking for a course, then you'll find probably a good one that can help you become a professional trader and just make consistent profits from the market. You'll have confidence, you'll have discipline, you'll have a strategy that you believe in, okay? And I'll just make one final point in terms of whoever you buy a course from, okay? You should actually keep in mind you do actually have to have the right mindset and psychology to execute the method. It's very important. We place a great emphasis on this. At the end of the day, someone like us can teach you, but you actually have to apply the strategy in real time under pressure. Your psychology is the key. Our course, very, very simple in terms of the method, fully explained in terms of why it's going to work longer term. The logic is soundly based, and obviously I've said it before, haven't I? We place a lot of emphasis on psychology. Right, that is the video for today. Thank you very much for watching me. Take care. Have a good day.